I sent the letter to the wrong address. Jack, I think I made a big mistake.
What happened?
I mailed an important letter yesterday, and I just realized I wrote the wrong address on it.
Oh no, what kind of letter was it?
It's a document for my new apartment. The landlord needs it this week.
That's not good. Do you remember the address you wrote?
I think so. I wrote 24 Green Street instead of 42 Green Street.
So you just switched the numbers?
Yes, exactly. I was in a hurry and didn't check it carefully.
Okay, don't worry yet. When did you send it?
Yesterday afternoon around 4 o'clock.
Which post office did you use?
The one near the train station on Main Street.
Did you send it by regular mail or express mail?
Regular mail. It was cheaper.
How much did it cost?
About $3.
And how long does regular mail usually take in this city?
Normally 2 to 3 days.
Good. That means it might not be delivered yet.
I hope so. What should I do first?
First, call the post office and explain the situation.
Do you think they can stop the letter?
Maybe. It depends on if it already left the local office.
I don't have their phone number.
I can help you find it. Do you have your phone with you?
Yes, here.
Let's search for Main Street Post Office phone number.
Okay, I found it. Should I call now?
Yes, call now. The earlier, the better.
All right, let me try.
What did they say?
The line is busy. I'll try again in a few minutes.
That's fine. In the meantime, let's think of other options.
What other options do we have?
You could also contact the person at 24 Green Street.
I don't know who lives there.
Do you have any way to find out?
Maybe I can check the building's mailbox list online.
Good idea. Let's check.
I found a name, Mr. Peterson.
Do you have his phone number or email?
No, but there's a general contact for the building manager.
Perfect. You can ask the manager to hold the letter if it arrives.
That sounds like a good plan.
Try calling the post office again first.
Okay, let me call.
Any luck this time?
Yes, someone answered.
What did they tell you?
They said the letter already left their office this morning?
So it's on its way to the wrong address?
Yes, unfortunately.
Did they give you any advice?
They said I should contact the building manager at that address.
That matches what we planned already.
Right. Let's call the building manager now.
Do you have the number?
Yes, it's on the website.
Great, call them.
Hello, I'm calling about a letter that might arrive at the wrong address.
What did they say?
The manager said they will check the mailboxes and hold my letter if it comes.
That's a relief.
Yes, but I still feel nervous.
Why? The manager seems helpful.
Because I need the document by Friday and I'm not sure when the letter will arrive.
When is the deadline exactly?
Friday at noon.
What day is it today?
Today is Tuesday.
So you have 3 days.
Yes, but what if the letter doesn't arrive in time?
Do you have a copy of the document?
I think I have a digital copy on my computer.
That's good news. You could email it as a backup.
Would that work for my landlord?
You should ask him directly.
You're right. Let me message him.
What did he say?
He said an email copy is fine for now, but he still needs the original later.
That solves the urgent problem.
Yes, I feel a little better now.
What's your next step?
I'll wait to hear from the building manager about the letter.
Do you want to visit the post office in person too?
That might help. Where is it exactly?
It's about 10 minutes from here, near the train station.
Should we walk or take the bus?
It's not far. We can walk.
Okay, let's go together.
Sure. Bring your ID, just in case they need it.
Good idea. Let me get it.
Ready?
Yes, let's go.
So what will you say when we get there?
I'll explain the mistake and ask if there's any way to redirect the letter.
Do you think that's possible?
I'm not sure, but it's worth asking.
We're almost there. It's the building on the corner.
I see it. Let's go inside.
Good luck.
Excuse me, I have a question about a letter I sent yesterday.
What did the worker say?
She asked for the tracking number.
Do you have it?
Yes, it's on my receipt.
What happened next?
She checked the system and said the letter is out for delivery today.
That's actually good news.
Why do you say that?
Because the building manager is already expecting it.
That's true. I didn't think of it that way.
Did she say anything else?
She gave me a form to report the wrong address, just in case.
That sounds like a smart backup plan.
Yes, I'll keep it with me.
Do you feel better now?
A little, but I'm still a bit worried.
That's normal. You did everything you could.
You're right. Let's head back home.
Do you want to check your phone for any messages?
Good idea. Let me look.
Anything new?
Yes, the building manager just texted me.
What does it say?
She says the letter arrived and she's holding it for me.
That's great news.
I'm so relieved.
When can you pick it up?
She said any time before 6 o'clock today.
Perfect timing.
Yes, I can go right after lunch.
Do you want me to come with you?
That would be nice, thank you.
No problem. What time should we leave?
Let's leave around 1 o'clock.
Sounds good. Are you feeling less stressed now?
Yes, much better. I learned an important lesson today.
What lesson is that?
Always double-check the address before sending anything important.
That's very true.
Next time, I'll write it slowly and read it twice.
That's a smart habit.
Thank you for helping me today, Jack.
Of course, Molly. I'm glad everything worked out.
Me too. Let's get the letter and finish this whole thing.
Let's go.